this is Dr. Ravi, the Medical Director at LIV's Medical Weight Loss and Aesthetics. At our office, we offer an active diet management, exercise regimens, and healthy behavioral changes. The weight loss program at our office starts with an initial consultation with the physician, as well as complete lab work and EKG done on site. At the initial visit, you will also get a prescription medication for the diet, as well as weight loss formula, fat loss formulas, fat burners, vitamins, and lipotropic shots. At the initial visit at our office, we provide the patient with a booklet that contains the shopping list, the recipes, the diet regimens, the exercise programs, and fluid intake. The following visits at our office is every 2 weeks to assess the results and address the concerns of the patient. Our weight loss program here is to help you to adopt to the new healthy habits and get rid of the old unhealthy ones. Microneedling at LIV Medical Weight Loss and Aesthetics is done by the only FDA-approved device, the skin pen. Microneedling helps with the fine lines and wrinkles, as well as acne scars, by remodeling the collagen and elastin. It's a comfortable procedure with minimal side effects, and it only takes about 30 minutes. You will leave our office looking better, feeling happier, and also will receive a post-treatment kit provided with a skin pen. Dermaplaning is another procedure is offered at LIV Medical Weight Loss and Aesthetics. It gives a healthy looking skin, and also it works on all skin types. It's a safe procedure, and it helps to remove the topmost layer of the skin as well as fuzzy hair. It gives instant, fantastic results and no downtime needed. At our office, we also offer skin products from Neocutis at LIV Medical Weight Loss and Aesthetics. The products from Neocutis focus on anti-aging and a younger looking skin. At our office, we also offer skin products from Obagi. As you know, in Florida, there's a lot of sun damage and age spots. So start your journey with us today at LIV Medical Weight Loss and Aesthetics. Thank you.